Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and shot this image for a long time ago. For commercial, of course. Okay. Well, I have this image 4x5 reversal image and I made pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, pretty cool drawing type image, isn't it? I've been shooting so much jewelries a long time ago. Well, these two images, I'm gonna make something different, something impressive image from these images. Color gold and platinum, maybe gold for sure. Okay, let me see how it's gonna be turned out. What kind of image I can make. It's already pretty cool design, isn't it? Took me a little while to fix these rings to stand out. Well, you don't see any white glue. I used glue gun, and the lighting is just one light. You see the behind, yeah. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to check this pencil drawing type image, change blend mode. Let's see. Okay, this is really nice drawing, isn't it? Well, darken, multiply, color burn. That's pretty cool. Really see the colors. That's nice. Overlay. Yeah, pretty nice. Luminosity. It looks pretty cool. Nice colors. Very see it. Well, I want to fix this image first. Okay, select multiple. 1, 2. Then duplicate layers. Now merge selected. Okay, one image. I want color to be more thick, so I'm going to duplicate this layer, change blend mode, one up top, normal to multiply, so it gets, you see the reddish color and gold. Okay, this is, yeah, that's fine. Okay, march down, I got this image now, that's cool. Okay, turn it off to keep it. Then change this blend mode again. Let's see, gold. Yeah, look at this color burn. Gold, color gold goes to more deep. That's pretty cool, huh? Okay. I want to use this color burn too. Overlay is pretty nice too. About this image. This is, okay, I'm going to change names. Alright, renamed. Original image, pencil drawing type image, then luminosity effect layer, this one. Okay, I have one empty layer here. This luminosity effect layer I want to use as a base, so just move this one, go all the way bottom. Then turn it off, this color burn, pencil drawing type image now. Then this is original. I gotta make a create empty mask on this original image, invert mask. We see the base image, luminosity effect layer. Now how much I'm gonna reveal to show the original image. Well, first of all, I want to show these rings. That's cool drawing type image, huh? Now let's see what kind of brush textures. Nice to see. Japanese. J chalk rough. Well, action lines. Interesting. Well, look at this. Fairy texture type. That's kind of cool. Wow, it's really cool. So much great texture of the brush. That's so nice. I want to show some. This is it for this mask, right? Now I'm gonna work on this pencil drawing type image. Okay, I'm gonna make mask. Then maybe go with this part around here. I think I want to hide some. Same brush. Now I'm gonna hide so we see some nice gold detail around here. Yeah, I guess that's enough. While I have this empty layer here, move this layer, go all the way top. Then yeah, fill in with white. Fill this layer. Pixel. Create empty mask. Okay, how about, let me see, add one more layer and using same brush, this action lines, then pick some colors. Well, I don't know if you guys can see these real saddle blue orange colors. Okay, well, I guess that's it for today. And let me see, turn it off, these colors and this white layer mask. This is pencil drawing type image, but change mode color burn off. Then this is original image with mask, so take all the mask off. Then this is the base image, which is made by original image and the pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to luminosity to get this luminosity effect layer. This is the base. Then I have original image with mask. to show this much of the original image. Using mask brushes, action lines. Then I add another pencil drawing type of image, change mode to color burn to get this little bit dark gold color. Then I add white layer with mask, this much, to hide surrounding basement. Then last one is add color. Some, well, now you see some very set yellow, brown, blue, yellow, orange type image. Well, I don't know if it's kind of yellow color is not that we may not need, huh? Only blue is kind of cool, I think. Let me see, make one more, just compare, just add, using blue, paint different blue, yeah, touch orange. Okay, I guess that's it. This is new color, just bluish. I guess better than this. This is kind of, no, I don't think I need yellow, but just leave it here. I'm gonna compare. Yeah, this is kind of simple. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out later. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and well, thank you. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Well, that's pretty cool, isn't it? I like it. All right.